up, you guys? I wanted to share some hair that I received from a company called Asteria. And the hair that I received is straight 100% human hair. In my package, they sent me 3 bundles of hair, a 6x6 lace closure, 2 wig stocking caps. They also sent me 2 silk green storage bags to put my hair in. Now, my sister, she picked up the package for me. And I was working, so I told her to go ahead and open up the package and, just to let me know what was all in there. And she called me back and she said, oh my gosh, this hair is so soft. I like this hair. I really like this hair. So I was kind of excited to try it out. And yes, she was right. The hair is very soft and thankfully it does not shed much. The lace closure is a 6x6 and it is in 20 inches. I went through with some bleach and dyed the knots just to give the scalp area a natural look. For the bundles, I have 2 packs that are 20 inches and 1 pack that is 18. Okay, so for starts, as I've stated earlier, this hair is so soft. I really enjoyed working with it. Also, I did bleach the knots on the lace front, but I also used the stocking cap that they sent as well, just to give it more of a natural look in the parting area. As you guys can see, I sewed the hair in just as I normally would. So over time, observing the shedding, there's hardly any shedding to this hair, which I love. I like the fact that the strands stay on the weft. One thing that I noticed after installment is that the frontal lays down very nice. You know how when you part the frontal, usually there are a lot of spikes and short hair pieces? This hair, it lays down perfectly. She wanted to go with some curls, so I decided to curl her hair. I will show you guys what her hair looked like right after I curled it, and I will also show you guys what the curls look like after a few days. So I just want to say thank you to Asteria for sending me this hair. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and also follow me on Instagram under tday6. Hit that subscribe button and also you can subscribe to my new channel, which is tday_tiffany. And since baby girl is in the video, go ahead and subscribe to her channel as well. I will leave the links down below in the description box. Thanks for watching. You guys have a blessed day.